Today I made this burrito filling with nopales and pinto beans, and oh my god, it came out so good. Made some burritos for the family and they were a hit. Let me show you how I made it. In my pan, I'm going to add in some olive oil. Once it heats up, I'm going to add in some diced tomato, diced jalapeño, and some diced onion. I'm going to saute this for a good 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of minced garlic and continue to saute it for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to add the seasonings. I will have the seasonings listed in the description box, and I'm going to mix that for another 5 minutes. I'll be using store-bought nopales, but you are welcome to use fresh. I did make my own pinto beans, so I will show you how I made those. And now I'm going to add in the nopales and just going to mix this. For the beans, I'm going to cook them in my Instapot. I did clean them out. I added some water. I'm adding some salt. I do add 1 cube of chicken knorr, some onion, some garlic, and I'm just going to mix this well. And I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes. Check it, mix it, cook it for another 20 minutes, and then they should be done. And after that, these beans are ready to use. Fresh homemade beans are so good too. So once I mix the nopales into all that, I'm adding in 3 cups of the fresh pinto beans. I'm going to mix this well, and then I'm going to mash my beans to my desired consistency. These are done. This is a perfect burrito filling for if you're in a rush, and it really, really, really does come out super delicious. I'm going to be adding some Monterey Jack cheese. Because I love cheese, I'm going to be adding a lot. Mixing that until the cheese melts. The cheese has melted and this is looking so delicious. I did make some homemade flour tortillas to go with this burrito filling, and you will have that recipe up also. These tortillas come out so good, and tortillas, fresh homemade tortillas, are perfect for any burrito filling. And that is it. That is how I make this homemade burrito filling for burritos. I'm just going to add it to that delicious homemade flour tortilla, roll it up, and these burritos are ready to enjoy. Super delicious. You will want to make this over and over again. Enjoy.